Welcome to our Better Data Driven Charities video guide series. For a start, let's install Microsoft Power BI on our computer. Go to the Microsoft Power BI website, link is flash on the screen. Currently, Microsoft Power BI only supports Windows computers. Please check if your PC meets the minimum requirement. Sorry, Mac users. Step 1. Go to the Microsoft Power BI desktop download page. Click on the Advanced Downloads option link. Then click on Download button. Select x64 version and click on the checkbox. Then click Next to start the download process. This will download the installer package to your computer. Click on Save button to save the installation package to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer package in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser downloads files by default. Step 2. Double-click on the installer package to begin the installation process. Click on Next. You may be prompted by your computer's security settings to allow the installation to proceed. If so, click Yes or Allow. Click Next to proceed. Review the license's terms and click the I accept button to agree to them. The installer will prompt you to select a destination folder for the installation. You can choose the default location or specify a custom location. After selecting the destination folder, click Install to continue. The installer will now install Microsoft Power BI Desktop to your computer. Depending on the speed of your computer, the installation process may take a while. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Microsoft Power BI Desktop by double-clicking on the Power BI Desktop icon on your desktop. But for now, just click on the Finish button to launch Microsoft Power BI for the first time. Congratulations! You have successfully installed and launched Microsoft Power BI. Do watch the other videos in this series to learn how to import data and generate the various BDDC use case dashboards on Power BI.